Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Get ready for the wildlife.
So right now, as you can see in my room, and I say this every single time, I'm sorry, but as you can tell by the title, I'm getting a new phone. Yeah, so my success is in New York. Yeah, I sold it. And he has to send something back to me because I forgot to take it out. Because I'm responsible. What is this? Okay. So, yeah. Also, I have a quick question. I got these Miracle Berry pills. I don't know if anyone's had these before. And they make, like, everything taste like candy or something. How long, like, they didn't work. I tried 2. And, like, I let it dissolve on my tongue. I didn't swallow it. And it didn't work. Is there, like, do I have to wait a certain amount of time? Or is there something I have to do to make these work? Someone comment down below. Thank you. But, yeah, I'm really freaking excited. I'm getting the iPhone XR in the color white. And, yeah. My phone case is going to be clear, but I'm putting a bunch of aesthetically pleasing photos in it. You'll see that. But I'm filming on my iPad mini right now, so the quality is horrible. But I'll probably vlog there, get the phone, unbox it here. Got it. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I just need someone to save me. Okay, see you at Target or something. So you literally can't hear me at all in this, but all I was trying to say is Leah came with us, and it was really annoying me, and she was irritating me, and yeah, so that's all I have to say, so just continue. So I'm literally back doing this voiceover thing, but the AT&T store, what I'm trying to say is there's one guy working, like 6 people in there, and we waited there for 20 minutes, and all they said is, oh, we don't have the phone.
Kelsey, you want to go grab those?
I got the phone. The guy,
You're hungry already?
Cat, opened it up
So you're not
and touched it. So
you're not going to.
but I'll open it. Okay, so we went to the mall, and I got my phone in here, then I got TikTok. We're going home, and then I'll set up my phone, and then we'll come back somewhere whatever. I don't really give a crap anymore. But here's some photos from the mall. You can see your braces. Why do I want this so bad? Because you have to do it. I need to do it. Let me get my... Hi, sisters! You stop. Okay, so now we're gonna go home. So this is the phone case I was talking about, and this is horrible quality. But I'll show you it after. So Leah's gonna be in here too. I'm also gonna be tapping the screen a lot to see like the brightness, you know? It's gonna be kind of dark. So they already opened it, so it's gonna be like used, kind of. You know. I'm not gonna set it up on here because I'll need my iPad to set it up. But I also got an adapter. Yeah. So I'll open this first. This is the adapter. It's boring. And it's kind of cool. What are you doing? She got a sweatshirt from Las Vegas. My parents just got back from Las Vegas. So you're gonna hear a lot of talking. This is the iPhone adapter. It was $9. And this is from AT&T, by the way. There's directions in here. Okay, let's set that off to the side. And let's open this up. It's really dark because I already opened it, but you know. Oh, I ripped it. ASMR. I'm gonna be doing that a lot, sorry. Oh, there it is. So this is what it looks like. It says, designed by Apple in California. And here this is. Hello. Okay, so let's take this out. This is the phone. I love it. Is it not gonna bronze the back? It's white, and yes, this was off. So let's see what's in the box first. So first you get headphones. They're not AirPods. People are, like, I've heard people are tricked by this and they're like, oh my god, it's AirPods. But they're not AirPods. They're normal headphones. But they have the lightning adapter, which okay. And then it comes with the charging back, obviously. And then the charger, which I hate these chargers. They never work more than like a month. And I hate them. So, horrible quality. There's that. Okay. So, this is the 128 That is so wrinkled. Leah, come show them yours. How wrinkled it is.
I mean, it was in a Walgreens bag, so.
Look.
Dude, look at this.
Hola.
I put my knees in here.
Okay, I need to like get it so the brightness. Here, I'm dark. Okay.
Wait, do I put it on my phone case?
Yes. So this is it. It says, if you know what that says, it probably says hello though. Okay, so.
So I just put a bunch of Mod Podge on my phone case and then I'm good. Is that what you do?
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
How do this?
You don't want the montage. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up now. So I'm gonna put my pop socket on now, so I can know where I can put my sticker things. So I got this one. I'm probably gonna change it. I don't know. I probably end up will. Let's see. Oh, there it is. I'm so scared this is gonna be in the wrong place. I did it. Okay, that's fine. Oh, set up Apple.
I don't like this.
Yeah. So, this is how my phone case is coming along. I love it. This is my phone. It's on.
They're curving.
Oh, wow. Leo put something heavy on the inside. I don't know. And let's see if it works. Look at mine. Is it not going to work? Okay, well, that's the part of my Apple ID. Oh, software update. Okay, well, let me set this up again. Okay, I guess I have to restore from iCloud now, so that's going to do that. So, it says, welcome to my iPhone now, so I got to figure that out, but I'll show you my case. I like it a lot. Leah, come show me your case. I like Leah's a lot. Okay, so this is mine, and that's Leah's. Put it down. Ow. So, yeah, tell me in the comments below what one you like more. But let's see if I can do this.
You pull on the side of your video.
I don't know how. If anyone knows how, comment down below also. I think I've said a comment a lot. Why isn't it working? Okay, there. So, welcome to an iPhone. So, let's get started. Oh my gosh! Oh, everything's re-downloading. What is this? So, these are all the new apps. My Apple, this is because this was my old iPhone thing. I actually had it. So, you can see that it, like, moves with it on the sides. Okay, you know. I'm going to go to settings. And I'm going to go to wallpaper. And sorry that like went up. Yes, okay, there's the questions. So I'm going to change my wallpaper and there should be new ones. Dramatic, I think it is? No, it's still. Yep, there they all are. I'm going to do this one because I think this is the one that goes to my phone. No, that's the black one. This is mine. Set both. And that should be it. There it is. I really like that. I'm going to like set things up and I'll show you afterwards. I haven't had GarageBand in forever and it's downloaded. So let's sing a song. Ready? Hey, I did it. Okay, I'm amazing. I'm so happy. Okay. Yeah, so this is also going to be a do of what's on my iPhone. If you guys surprised, if you're still watching and it's in the title or something. So yeah, let's do that. I'm going to create an emoji right now. So what I'm going to do is like go behind the camera and you're just going to see my phone. So it's going to be really awkward, but let's go. So I literally am on top of the table right now and I'm going to have to switch this around, but you know, I don't care. So my skin is that color. I do have freckles, but are not a lot. Okay, that's good. Hairstyle. Well, I'm gonna do this and then come back. Hi. So I'm sorry that those last videos were flipped up, but you know. So I'm gonna show you what's my iPhone. Yay. Okay, so you go on it. Oh, so let me fix it. Look at the light flashing. That's creepy. That's creepy. That's scaring me. You're gonna have to deal with that. That's like actually really creepy. So you get on and then slide up obviously. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so you get on, you see this. There's not any other screen. Like, oh, I put Siri on. Okay, so there's not any other screen or whatever. Let me set this up. There's not any other screen on it, or you know. So the first thing I have is the clock, or the settings app, sorry, the settings. Second, I have text messages, obviously, you know that. And then I have photography. In my photography folder, I have, can't speak, the camera app. And I'm going to show you my camera quality right now because, you'll see the difference. So this is my tablet. The quality, obviously, it's really bad right now because I'm not in good light at all. But compared to my iPad and iPhone 6s, it's really good. But yeah, the camera's a little dirty, and like, trust me, my next videos will show it all.
And then I have, why is it so blurry? I have my whoa, that needs to be on here a lot, or whatever. Okay, and then I have my photos, Canva, which I use to make my thumbnails, and business cards. Sand, there was my, oh, no, my phone got reset. Okay, sorry. And then I have, what's it called, video, and I used to use that to edit my videos. And then I have this app, which I use to make my my intro to my YouTube channel, like the cutout. And then iMovie I use to edit, and then GoPro. And then next I have the Clock app. Obviously you know what that is. And then I have music. So I have my music, obviously, Spotify and GarageBand, and that's really it. If you want me to go through my Spotify playlist, I will for you guys. App Store, y'all know what that is. Calculator and Netflix, again, all know what that is. And then I have Lifestyle, which is just like what I use a lot every day. Notes, Gmail, and then Google Maps, and then, what's it called? The Notes. Oh no. Notes. And then I have Chase, which is my bank. And then Chase Pay, which is like Apple Pay, but for Chase. And then PayPal, yeah. And then Apple Watch, reminders, and care.com. And then I have the activity for my Apple Watch and Roku TV. That's on my lifestyle folder. And then I have YouTube, and then I have social. I have this on my second page, which is boring layout. But then, and then I have Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Facebook, FaceTime, and TikTok. I'm not showing you my TikTok. And then this is my games. I just have Doodle Jump. These are 2 for my Apple Watch. And yeah. And then I have Random. I have the Compass or whatever. Translator app. I think I'll use it France. Voice memos. Contacts. Find my iPhone. What's it called? Calendar. Weather. Health. The wallet. iTunes Store. Chromecast. And the measure thing. And then I have shopping, I think. No, that's not shopping. That's education, so school. I just have like Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and then this will like show me homework answers, and then that's a translation app. And then I have shopping and food. So Target app, Amazon, Romway, or Romwe or something, Walmart, and the Wish app. And then for food, I have Jimmy John, or Eat Street, Domino's, Jimmy John's, Pizza Hut, and Starbucks. And then I have eBay. And then down below I have Safari, Calling, Snapchat, and Pandora. So that's what's on my iPhone. Yeah.
My face is finally dry. This is what it looks like. I'm really happy on how it turned out. Yeah. I'm gonna put it on my phone. Hopefully it fits. Whoa. I'm gonna first clean off the back of my phone with my sleeve, because that's me. I'm really weird. And then here's my phone case. And it's clear, so you're gonna see through it. And there it is. It is pretty protective, as you can see. It's above the thing. It doesn't actually have a logo on it. I'm really proud of that. And here it is. Let's see what my flashlight is looking like. Wow. Sorry. I love it. I would recommend getting the XLR. So I'm just still late, and I'm like so tired, and I'm editing the video. But after I did everything, we just went bowling with the family and ate dinner, you know? And it was really great. We had a lot of fun. But that was it. So here's my outro. So it is literally 11:41 and I have to babysit tomorrow. You know, so I do love my new phone, and it's a great phone. I do recommend it to anyone who's looking to get a new phone, you know. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So please like and subscribe. I really hurt my tongue, so I'm talking really weird. Ow. But yeah, like and subscribe and comment what you want to see on my channel. And yeah, bye guys.